Have you ever walked through a cemetery and seen a headstone so weathered by time that the name is completely gone? That was the case for this great-grandfather's stone, a piece of family history nearly lost forever. But what if I told you it could be brought back to life? Not for thousands of dollars, but for just 47. This isn't just about cleaning a stone, it's about reconnecting with the past. For over a century, this marker endured sun, rain, and biological growth like lichen and moss, which slowly ate away at the delicate inscription. This is a common story for stones made of marble, limestone, and sandstone. Even granite, one of the hardest materials, isn't immune to the relentless march of time. Many people, with the best intentions, reach for harsh chemicals or a pressure washer. Please don't. This is the fastest way to cause permanent, irreversible damage. Bleach and acidic cleaners can literally dissolve the surface of older stones, erasing what little information is left. So, what's the right way? The secret is patience and the right tools. We're using a specially formulated pH-neutral cleaner from Headstone Helper. It's designed to be tough on biological growth, but incredibly gentle on the stone itself. The process is simple, but requires care. First, saturate the stone with clean water. Then, apply the cleaner and let it work its magic. Using only soft, natural bristle brushes, we gently scrub in a circular motion. You're not trying to force the grime off. You're helping the cleaner lift it away. It takes time, but as the layers of a century peel back, something incredible happens. Names, dates, and details once thought to be lost to history begin to reappear. For this family, seeing their great-grandfather's name clearly for the first time was a profoundly emotional moment. Now, a DIY kit is perfect for cleaning, but what if the stone is broken or severely damaged? That's when you call in a professional. A professional restoration can cost anywhere from $800 to $3,000, depending on the damage and your location. But for surface cleaning and preservation, a $47 kit can achieve incredible results. Before you start, always check with the cemetery for their specific rules and regulations, and remember to document everything. Take before and after photos, record the newly revealed information, and consider sharing it with genealogy databases to help others in their search. Restoring a headstone is a powerful act of remembrance. It honors those who came before us and preserves their stories for future generations. If you're inspired to start your own preservation project, or if you need professional help for a more complex restoration, visit Memorial Merits at memorialmerits.com/headstonehelper to find the kits and services you need. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more stories of history and preservation.